Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our awesome tips and tricks to improve your financial life. Now let's dive right into today's video, 10 tricks to save money fast. Whether you're looking to pay off some debt, save for a big purchase, or just build your emergency fund, saving money doesn't have to be as hard as it seems. In fact, with a few simple adjustments, you can start putting extra cash back in your pocket starting today. So let's get into it. And by the end of this video, you'll be feeling super motivated to take control of your financial future. 1. Start with a budget. The first and most important step to saving money fast is setting a budget. If you're not tracking where your money is going, you won't know where you can cut back. A budget helps you get clear on your expenses and prioritize the most important things, like savings. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. You can use a simple pen and paper or an app like Mint or Winabi. You need a budget. The key is to create a clear picture of your income versus expenses and then stick to it. Once you see how much you're spending on things like food, entertainment, and subscriptions, you'll realize where the leaks are and you can patch them up. 2. Eliminate unnecessary subscriptions. Now, speaking of subscriptions, it's time to take a hard look at those monthly charges that are eating away at your budget. We're talking about things like streaming services, gym memberships, and magazine subscriptions. These little payments can add up quickly. Take 10 minutes to go through your bank statements and cancel anything that you don't absolutely need. You'll be amazed at how much money you're wasting on things you barely even use. Cutting out just one or two of these could free up an extra $50 or more each month. That's $600 a year that you could be saving or putting toward a more important goal. 3. Automate your savings. This is one of the best tricks for anyone who struggles with saving consistently. Automate your savings by setting up a direct deposit or automatic transfer into a savings account each time you get paid. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill, just like rent or utilities. Even if you start small, say $25 or $50 each paycheck, you'll be surprised at how quickly it adds up. Plus, the money is out of sight and out of mind, so you won't even miss it. That way, you're building your savings effortlessly and without any temptation to spend it. 4. Cut back on eating out. We've all been there. You're tired, you don't feel like cooking, and grabbing fast food or ordering delivery seems like the easiest option. But the truth is, eating out can take a huge chunk out of your budget, especially if it becomes a habit. Start by cutting back just a little bit. Try cooking at home for the majority of the week and save dining out for special occasions. Not only will you save money, but cooking at home can be a lot healthier too. Plus, meal prepping on Sundays can help you avoid the "I don't feel like cooking" trap. 5. Use cashback and rewards programs. If you're not already taking advantage of cashback offers and reward programs, what are you waiting for? There are so many ways to earn free money or points just for spending on things you're already buying. Use apps like Rakuten for online shopping, or sign up for credit cards that offer cashback rewards on groceries, gas, or even dining. You'd be surprised at how these small rewards can add up over time. Just be sure to pay off your credit card balance every month so that you're not paying interest and undoing all your hard work. 6. Limit impulse purchases. The dreaded impulse buy. We've all been there. You're walking through the store or scrolling online, and suddenly you need that new gadget or a cute pair of shoes. But before you make that purchase, ask yourself, do I really need this, or is this just a want? Set yourself a cool-off period. For example, if you see something you want but didn't plan on buying, give yourself 24 hours to think it over. More often than not, you'll realize you don't actually need it, and you'll save that money for something more important. 7. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk is one of the easiest ways to save money, especially when it comes to items you use regularly. Things like paper towels, toilet paper, cleaning supplies, and canned goods are all great examples of products that are cheaper when bought in larger quantities. Yes, you'll have to spend more upfront, but the long-term savings are well worth it. You'll avoid making frequent trips to the store and paying full price for smaller quantities. Just make sure you're actually using everything you buy in bulk so nothing goes to waste. 8. Shop secondhand. When it comes to clothing, furniture, electronics, and even books, don't be afraid to shop secondhand. Thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace or Poshmark are full of high-quality items at a fraction of the cost. Not only will you save a ton of money, but you'll also be doing your part for the environment by recycling and reusing. Plus, sometimes you can find unique and vintage pieces that you won't find anywhere else. 9. Set financial goals. It's so much easier to stay motivated to save when you have a clear goal in mind. Whether it's saving for a vacation, a down payment on a house, or an emergency fund, setting a specific and measurable goal gives you something to work towards. Break your goal down into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if you want to save $1,200 for a vacation in 6 months, that's just $200 a month. By breaking things down, saving doesn't feel overwhelming, and you're more likely to stay on track. 10. Find ways to increase your income. Finally, if you really want to speed up your savings, finding ways to increase your income can make a huge difference. You don't need to get a second full-time job, but there are plenty of side hustles that can bring in extra cash. Think freelance work, pet sitting, tutoring, or even selling items you no longer need. Sometimes just an extra $100 or $200 a month can make a huge difference in how fast you're able to reach your savings goals. And if you're working on paying down debt, that extra income can help you do that even faster. So there you have it. 10 tricks to save money fast. It's all about being mindful of where your money is going, cutting back on unnecessary expenses, and finding creative ways to boost your income. If you implement even a few of these tips, you'll be well on your way to building up your savings in no time. Remember, saving money is a journey, not a sprint. Celebrate the small wins along the way, and don't be too hard on yourself if it takes a little longer than expected. The key is consistency, and you've got this. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need a little financial motivation. And of course, subscribe for more money-saving hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.